In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder on Insightly. We'll start right from the Insightly home screen, so go ahead and log in and make sure you're on that main dashboard view. Once you're there, I want you to focus on the left-hand side of your screen. This left sidebar is your main navigation area in Insightly, and it's where you'll find all the different sections you can work with. Now, think about where you actually want this new folder to live. In Insightly, folders can exist under different areas, such as marketing, reports, or files. The steps are the same for each, but choosing the right section will help you stay organized later. For example, if you're storing campaign assets, you might choose marketing. If you're organizing exported data or dashboards, reports might be better. And if you're managing general documents, files is usually the right place. Once you've decided, click on that section in the left sidebar. So that could be marketing, reports, or files. After you click into the section, the main part of your screen will update with options specific to that area. Within that section, look for an option labeled Folders. Sometimes this appears as a tab or a menu item inside the section you selected. For example, if you clicked on Marketing, you might see a Folders option under the Marketing area. Go ahead and click Folders to open the folder management view. At the top right corner of the Folders page, you should see a button that says New Folder, usually with a plus sign next to it. This is the button you'll use to actually create your folder. Click on the New Folder button, and a form or pop-up will appear asking for some basic details. The main thing you'll need to enter is a folder name. Take a moment to choose a clear, unique name so you can recognize it easily later. For example, you might include a project name, a date, or a team name in the title so other users know exactly what belongs there. Type your folder name into the field provided. Once you're happy with the folder name, click the Save button. Insightly will create the new folder and add it to your list in that section. You should now see it appear among your other folders, ready for you to start adding files or organizing related items inside it.